Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've been active here. It's because I've been very busy. So I moved out to the countryside, as I told you in the previous video, and I'm renovating here at full speed. So the first videos I'm gonna publish now is a series with the process of renovating the bathroom. So it's been a big project. Originally it was 3 rooms, which now I made into one big room and a small hallway with stairs. So I'm gonna make this renovating bathroom series into a few episodes, and then in the end probably gonna do a short video on the whole process and how it turned out. But for you to see how I did it and the process, I'm gonna include a lot of details and how I do it on the way, like what am I thinking and what kind of materials am I using, everything. So if you wanna get some idea how to renovate a bathroom, this is from an amateur, so I'm not a professional. I just looked at some YouTube videos, but I'm trying to do everything as far as I can in regards to standards, so it should be a very, very good bathroom. Yeah, and so feel free to give advice, tips, criticize, whatever you like. Comment on the video. Did you have a similar process? How was it? Are you thinking about doing it? Any questions you have, just tell me below in the comments, and we'll talk there. So this is the first episode. Enjoy it. Hello, I'm back again, and now I just started renovating the bathroom, or what is becoming the bathroom. So this house had just a small bathroom here. This is even without a toilet, and this here was a bedroom, so you had to go through the bedroom to get to the bathroom. Really annoying. So what I'm gonna do is build a wall about here and make a very big bathroom. I will even include the hallway behind here. This stairs will be moved to another place. So I will close the roof here, and this will also be a part of the bathroom. With here I will place a washing machine, a dryer, have some shelves, and a big window here, I think. And the kitchen here is the next chapter, so not gonna say anything more about that now. So with the wall here, behind this wall is gonna be a stairs up to the bedroom, two bedrooms upstairs there. Also gonna change this window to a bigger one. The plan now is to have a big bathtub here, a corner bathtub, and I'm gonna have some nice dark tiles on the floor at least. Not sure about the walls, if I do these bathroom plates or if I do tiles on the walls. Let's see. And of course heating in the floor, I think around here is gonna be a shower with some nice glass door and stuff, and I will have to have I think a toilet over here, and the sink is probably gonna be here as well with a big mirror. So yeah, this is what it looks now. This is the first step. So the isolation in the house. This is very old house, almost 100 years old. So back in the days they used to have this. This is saucepan. And so the next step is now done. I disconnected the water to the shower. I removed the shower here. And I put on these stop plugs onto here. And I already put on the water, so they are not leaking, and that's good. The same did here. Put on stop plugs here, disconnected it. And these two pipes here goes to another sink in another room here, which I'm gonna open up here now. Open up this wall and remove the sink and the sink on the other side. Yeah, let's see, that's the next step. And it's difficult to get in under to the screw. You can use this flexible add-on. Put it under here. And screw it out. Anyone need saucepan? Come get it. There's even some old newspapers here. It's hard work. All the electrical installations here, they are very old, so I just have to check if there's any electricity in the cables. Because these, I don't know where this come from. Just come straight out into the box. So, but there was no power there. And here is the old bathroom. Removed the isolation. I bought new. Because some of this was eaten by mouse. So I had to change it. This cable is totally unusable. So it's going in the recycling system. It's very old, it's not even copper. This is copper. This probably is it aluminium? Not sure.